Hello, IELTS aspirants. You have number of topics in IELTS speaking when you have to describe a personality, and you often find scarcity of the good vocabulary. I'm giving you 9 banned vocabulary words in the form of the idiom and phrases. I'm Dr. Arshnur from Dr. Arshnur's IELTS Institute. So let's start with this. So first word is bend over backwards. A person who tries hard to assist someone. Here you can use this idiom. Second is broad-minded. A person who is not conservative, who accept others' perspectives and behaviors. That person is considered as broad-minded. You may use this word, this idiom, when you're expressing some old person's attitude or personality, because usually find that this conflict between two generations, and you can use this word that the person is broad-minded. He's not conservative or orthodox. He always accepts others view of point and appreciates that. Then third is to be the life and soul of the party. So the person who becomes a center of attraction when you're attending any event, and we always keep the sweet memories of the person. So the person that shows his magnificent personality, and he stays in our memories forever. So we can use this idiom at that time. He was the soul, he was the life and the soul of the party, and he entertained everyone. Easygoing, a person who is unfazed or unconcerned about anything. So he's moving on his own pace. He's not affected by anything good or bad. Then extrovert person who can interact with others easily. He does not hesitate to make a space among strangers. And that's the reason these people are very successful, because they do not hesitate to come out of their shell, and they openly speak to others without even having any of the knowledge or having any acquaintance with anyone else. Then come fun loving, a person who is cheerful, the person who loves having a good time. These people even make some sad moments also, or some pensive moments also, happy by their positive mindset or by their fun loving nature. Then it is fair mindedness, the person who is not biased, the person who has ability to treat the people fairly. He is not judgmental. He is always having same attitude towards other people. He's fair to others. Painfully shy is a very attractive word, good word, extreme form of extrovert. The person who is not coming out his shell, despite of calling many times or inspiring many times, all the motivations and inspiration go flat on him, because he is not inspired by that, and he is not able to interact with people. He always keeps himself hidden behind the curtains. So then we can talk about hiding one's light under a bushel. It is to conceal one's abilities and talents. 90% people in the world who are expert and they have extraordinary talents themselves. It is only due to this reason that they are hiding one's light under a bushel. They're not coming out and not showing their talent to others. They are always shy, and especially nowadays in this era of online world, digital world, these people are left much behind. Then comes good sense of humor. We can say that the person who makes any event lively by his humor, by his good sense of humor. So the witty person who makes any moment enjoyable, and we can take the example of Kapil Sharma. It is inbuilt. It is he's born with this talent. So this is a good talent, and quite helpful for the society also, because in the company of these people, any moment becomes a memorable moment. Then comes introvert. Introvert means shy person who takes some time to open with other people, or these people usually have their own company. They are comfortable at their in their own company, but while speaking to the stranger or interacting with the strangers, they're taking much time, or rather they avoid talking to other people. Then comes to lose one's temper, means to become enraged immediately instead of using angry. So this is a good idiom to use to express the personality of someone who is some angry person. Then comes two-faced. Two-faced or dual-faced. This means a person who is not trustworthy, who is not honest and truthful. These people are having two faces, like while in front of you they're showing to be your friend, or they're showing to be your well-wisher, but at your back they're always speaking bad about you. So these are dual-faced people and are very much dangerous for the society. Then comes thick-skinned. Thick-skinned person who is not affected by anything, not good, not bad. So he may be criticized by the people, but he keeps on moving on his own pace and is not affected by any criticism against him. Then comes to take after. So to take after is somewhat different, that it is to resemble, to be like. So here we can say that he is take after his father, that he resembles his father. Then comes self-affixation. This means not attempting to attract others' notice. These people again, particularly in terms of concealing one's talent, they remain hidden. This means they're not showing their efficiencies to others, the self-efficacy. So these people always remain hidden under the curtain. Then self-centered. Self-centered people, they think upon themselves only. They don't bother about other people. And most of the people nowadays, they are self-centered. They are extremely thinking upon themselves. They keep themselves at the center, and their thinking starts from that place and ends at that. So they are least bothered about their family member, their friends, or anyone. So these are not good friends. Then these people are not good to have in the family also, because they will never be helpful for anyone else. Hope this vocabulary will help you to good score high in your IELTS speaking. Thanks for watching. Stay connected. Happy learning. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, subscribe it right now to get the best score in your IELTS speaking. Thanks for watching.